Okay, so for this one, we're going to actually use the number line and draw the inequalities. So I'll do a few examples from this one here. Just another note, remember that the solid box are used for ones that are less than or equal to and greater than and equal to, and the hollow box is for those that are just less than or greater than. Okay, so we can tell right away here this is not equal to, both of them should be equal to, and once again we have two different types. We have ones that are trapped, so this is trapped between two numbers, two numbers, two numbers, and the other ones or should be ones that are or guys. So there should be two different inequalities, or, and or. Okay, so in the case that we have or, we should have, well, let's just do A. So here's A. In this case, we're trapped between -2 and 1. So if this is the case, we should always just start off by drawing this. So for part A, C, D, I missed D here, sorry. So D is also part of this. It's trapped between these 2 points here, the line. So if these are the cases, we want to make sure we draw this immediately. So well, once again, A, C, and D and F, for sure we can start off by doing this. So A, let's see, let's do them all together if we like here. So there's C, and then we have D, and we have F. All right, so initially we can for sure start it like this, all these. And then we can add our equal sign when we need to. So let's start at A. So in this case, any number greater than -2, so it eats the bigger number, so x is greater than -2, but it's also equal because it has this dot. But x is less than 1. Okay, and that's all we have to do for our number line. If we look at C, we have 2 dots, and they're hollowed in, so we need to add the line here and line here, which means equal to. And they're trapped between 2 and 4, so in this case x is greater than 2, but it is less than 4. Same with part D and part F. We are trapped, so in D they're trapped between -2 and 1, and they're both hollow, so there's no line that goes here. And then for F we have 4 that's hollow, but x is less than that number and equal to, but it's greater than 0. So these are our 4 here using the interval where they're trapped. Okay, now for examples, let's say E and G. So let's go with the other ones. So where they are not trapped, so in this case we have E, it's going to be something or something else. So we have 2 conditions. So x is any number that's less than -1. So if we were to write that, we have x less than -1. Okay. Of course, if you want to write it like this, you can do it as well. Put the x on this side and say x is less than -1. They mean they're both the same thing. Okay. So that's our first condition. And then if we look here, we have any number that is going this way past 1. So our second one should be x is greater than 1. Or if you write it the other way, you can have your x on this side and x is greater than 1. Okay, so we have 2 conditions here. Once again, it's an or. Here's another or. Here's another or. I can do G. If this is the case, we have G. All right, I'll put my or up because I know I'm going to use it. We have x is any number less than 0. So less than 0. And then on this side, we see it's a hollow dot in, so we should have an x which is greater than and equal to 3 in this case. Okay? And you can go ahead and try the other ones on your own and see how they go. Okay, so you have 2 solutions here. and 2 solutions here. You have to make sure that you put them both down for full marks on your test.